First of all, good morning, my respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am standing here, Ranjit Chauhan, son of Mr. Chandrakesh Chauhan. I belong to Amilo Hindanagar. I have completed graduation in 2018. Today is the PP day in the coaching. So, sir given us three topics. First topic, it is the value of time, and second, the importance of the conversation and communication skill. And third and last is that we are independent. So I want to talk about the time. So my friends, because time it is everything. Right now, if we care about our time, so you get the success in future, in upcoming times. So let me tell you whatever I have in my mind about that topic. So let me share with the topic. So time, it is a very precious things for everyone because it has given by the God for equal for everyone. So if we should care about our time, so definitely we get the success in our future. So if we waste our time, so we can't get the success in life. So time, it is a very precious things because it is has gone once time in your hand, so it's never come back again. Because if it is gone in something like money and wealth, maybe it come back again. But time, it is gone once time in your side, so it can't come back in life. So that is the very important is time. And as we know, time it is not about by the human, by the anything, by the everyone. Time it is not buy, time it is not borrow, and time it is not store always, because he has gone one time, so it's never come back again. So time, it is very important. Let me talk about the businessman and greatest leader. He's not randomly become the greatest leader and great man, because he always follow the time. He always keep on going anywhere with the time, with the dedication. So that is the result. He's become a great speaker and great man in their life, because someone said that fortune, he has a fortune, but it is not true from my point of view. But he he's have a fortune with the by the God, but it is not true. They don't know about the struggle, their life. He always face the dedication with the dedication, whatever achieve in their life. So time, what is the value of time? That's the power of time. As we can see, if someone have to not follow the time, so this that have no any success, that have no any goals in their life. So time, from my point of view, time it is a very important in any time. So suppose that if you will have to go on the abroad, so and you have to catch the flight 4 p.m. in evening time, so you will be able to go to arrive on station, for arrive the airports 4 to 10 a.m. p.m. So you can't go abroad because the time of the value of the time. If you arrive the certain time, so you definitely go to the abroad. So this is the power of time. And because let me tell you and other things. suppose that right now we waste too much time in the life, so that's why I have no any skills and I have no any talent. That's why this time I have to face a lot of problems right now, and that's why I am coming here to learning English. It is a skill, so I'll suggest you, everybody, you have to follow with the dedication whatever you want to do in life, whatever you want to become in the life. So you must have to follow with the dedication with the time. If you use the time properly, so you can achieve anything in their life. If you waste your time, you can't achieve something in life, because time, it is very important. Time teaches us always responsibility and dedication and discipline and hard work as well. So I hope all my friends, you understand very easily, because I am not talking about the tough language. I am talking and I'm sharing with you in like a very easy way. If you want to learn with the time, with the dedication, so you can't do anything. No, you can't achieve anything effortlessly. So I hope you are understand. And right now I want to back my place